what was the seminal experience or person that made you think, I can break through the glass ceiling, I can break through my own expectations of myself and do something that I truly believe is authentic to who I am and what I'm supposed to do with my life?
So Nick and I know you and I met at the Think and Grow Rich World Legacy Tour. And, you know, we want to come back to the 13 success principles that Napoleon Hill wrote about. And your question really made me think about my faith in myself. And I don't mean faith in the religious way, but my faith in how I believe in myself. And as an entrepreneur, I think everyone can agree that we must have our own self-worth and self-confidence first. And in the 20 years looking back, I became an entrepreneur through a calling. Right? I literally went to bed and woke up with this vision of what I want to do. I gave up my acting, my dancing, all the things I was trained in to decide to become a business owner. And I had no MBA, I had no knowledge in how to run a business. But yet I have that self-worth and self-confidence in believing that I actually can run a business. I don't need anything but common sense. And the fact that I can connect with other people.